So what I've decided to do is go back from the very beginning. I've been asked so many times to do this. I've done a couple of videos, but now I'm actually going to start doing this one every week, maybe a few more times than once a week. But I'm going to go back over every video that we've done from the beginning, and I'm going to go through it. Just what happened, why did it happen? Not boring, of course. So without being boring, let's get into it. So very often Tom and Ben and myself would all film down there during the day, in the week. It was always very quiet, but this one got us by surprise. We could hear them come up, they came up. Just check out it's the stupidity really, but hey, you know, you get what you deserve. Yep, they drowned it and of course had to call out the recovery services and no doubt cost themselves a new engine out of it. Check out this barbarian though. So we know that karma is never too far away, especially at Rufford Ford. So this guy comes flying around the corner, sees the people on the bridge, nails it. The old woman, if you check out the little kid on the left, the old woman drags the child over as she's trying to get away from the splash. A bit over dramatic, but karma strikes hard. So the barbarian that's just gone through the water managed to rip his under tray off. Doesn't stop there though. So this guy carries on down the road, turns around, he comes back, sees the under tray in the road, thinks it's someone else's, and runs it over out of spite. Check this out. Yes, it's a Rolls Royce. We've all seen it go through. Let's just enjoy this one again. It is a terrible shame that at the moment Rufford Ford is temporarily closed. It may go permanent, who knows, but as I've said so many times, during the week it was so quiet. This is a good example of during the week how quiet it is. Yes, the weekends did get busy. Perhaps maybe they should only open it during the week so the farm vehicles and locals and everyone else can get through. But check this one out. They go in not too bad, but they rip the bottom of the car off. Okay, this one's been reposted so many times, but it's one I keep getting asked for. It was brilliant. It's still one of the best moments ever down at Rufford Ford. So this lad, he's had his car for 3 weeks. The dad's bought it for him. He's out and he decides that the only way to get through the water is to go as fast as he possibly can. And he just destroys his car, but he does it in front of a crowd. The crowd, well, if you haven't seen it, check out the crowd.
Cheers, mate.
No worries.
Come back and another shot. Yeah, go. Yeah.
Hold on now, just fair play. Round of applause.
There you go, buddy.
Given off and left, you
Cheers,
know.
mate. That's what I'm gonna do.
There is a couple of bits of plastic on the road down here, little like round bits, like there might be part of parcel, because obviously as it's coming off it's scraping along in it. But yeah, I'd definitely find out where that goes now, because that looks like it's part of air or exhaust. I was saying air.
Sent it you. Yeah.
You need to pop or put the head under or pop it.
It's a big question, would you do it again?
No. I'll be going the long way home.